Everyone, welcome back to the channel again, and in today's video I'll be introducing you to a new website that has been in the system for about 5 days or a week now. So without wasting my time, click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this page here where you'll be asked to fill in your details, and then you are good to go. So click on the first one here which says enter your mobile number, and then enter your mobile number without bringing the zero. As you can see, there is a country code already there which is +233, which stands for 0 in Ghana. So just enter, continue your number without a 0, and then input a password over here for yourself. And with this code, do not touch this. Do not touch this code which you can see right here. After that, click on this side and then enter the code in which you can see at this section of the page here. Enter this code and then click on where it says register. I already have an account, so I'll just click on login and then log in into my account for you to see what we are actually going to deal with. So after creating an account, you'll be rewarded with a sum of 5 Ghana cedis, and then when you invite one person, you get sum of 3 Ghana cedis as an invite bonus, which is only valid for 10 people. So meaning we are able to invite 10 people to this particular platform without they having to invest. You get a sum of 30 Ghana cedis rather, a sum of 30 Ghana cedis. And each new user, when you sign in daily onto this particular platform right here, which as you can see here, they sign in, you get a sum of 2 Ghana cedis in addition. Get a sum of 2 Ghana cedis. So their packages ranges from 120 Ghana cedis all the way up to 50,000 Ghana cedis. 120 Ghana cedis all the way up to 20,000 Ghana cedis. So with the first one here, you can see it costs a whopping sum of 120 Ghana cedis, and you'll be able to earn a sum of 15 Ghana cedis daily, plus your daily sign-in bonus, making it 17 Ghana cedis daily. So with the next one here, which is the second one, you can see it costs a sum of 200 Ghana cedis. 200 Ghana cedis, which you'll be able to earn 24 Ghana cedis per day. 24 Ghana cedis per day. The next one also costs a sum of 480 Ghana cedis, which will be rewarded with 60 Ghana cedis per day. 60 Ghana cedis per day. And the next one also goes for a sum of 1,600 Ghana cedis, and your daily income is 228 Ghana cedis. 228 Ghana cedis. Next one costs 3,500 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 576 rather, sorry. 576. So the next one costs a sum of 5,800 Ghana cedis, which your daily income is 960 Ghana cedis. 960 Ghana cedis. The next one costs a sum of 10,000, and you'll be able to earn a sum of 1,818 Ghana cedis daily. And the last one here, which you can see, costs a sum of 50,000 Ghana cedis, and your daily income is 12,480 Ghana cedis. 12,480 Ghana cedis, which is going to be your daily income on this particular platform. So as you can see, let's head over to the my section right here. So with this, you can see we have the recharge, withdrawal, the balance, recharge, withdrawal, and then so many other things on this particular page. So when I click on the balance section right here, and you can see I made a withdrawal this morning at 10:36, and as of 10:45 as I'm recording this video. So at 10:36 I made a withdrawal of 57 Ghana cedis, which was then sent to my mobile money account. As you can see on your screen right here, in about 5 minutes it was sent to my mobile money account in less than 5 minutes. So this particular website really pays a lot. Yes, I have invested in the first product, which generates a sum of 15 Ghana cedis daily on this particular platform. So to recharge, you come to the page here and then click on recharge. Clicking on recharge, you'll be taken to this page where you can see here an amount of 120 Ghana cedis, and then you then choose a payment method, either the payment channel 2 or payment channel 1. So you just choose and then click on where it says recharge now. Recharge now. So with that, you'll be taken to a different page, and then when this page loads, you'll be asked to put in or fill in your mobile money number. Fill in your mobile number. So I will just enter my mobile number here for you to see. So with that, you come and then click on where it says submit, and as you can see, you've been given a number to send the money to. So as you can see, this number here, 050568066 is the number I am supposed to send the money to. When you go there, you may get a different number to send the money to. So with that, you just copy that, go to your dialer, and then send a sum of 120 Ghana cedis exactly to them. Send a sum of 120 Ghana cedis to them, and then come here and then click on where it says get result. So when the transaction is successful, you are going to see here where it says, instead of no payments received, it's going to tell you payments received, and then a sum of 120 Ghana cedis has been received by them. So then you go back to the page, and then you invest in the package in which you have deposited for. When you deposited a sum of 120 Ghana cedis, all you need to do is to come here and then click on where it says invest now, and then click on OK to accept their terms, and then you'll be able to earn a sum of 15 Ghana cedis daily on this particular platform. So when I come to the earnings section here, as you can see, with the 120 Ghana cedis package, you get a sum of 0.625 hourly, 0.625 Ghana cedis hourly from this particular platform, and as you can see here, I've been able to make a sum of 1 cedis 25 pesos within a few hours. 1 cedis 25 pesos. So in the next 24 hours, I'm going to be making a sum of 15 Ghana cedis. So when it comes to the tax section, yes, this section is very important. Tax section. So with the tax section, when you are able to invite a number of people to deposit, you will be rewarded with an amount, and this amount ranges from 100 Ghana cedis all the way to 50,000 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis all the way to 50,000 Ghana cedis. When you're able to invite a couple of people to invest or to deposit an amount reaching up to 5,000 Ghana cedis, you will be paid a sum of 100 Ghana cedis. You'll be paid a sum of 100 Ghana cedis. And the next one, which when you are able to invite people to deposit and your team investment is up to 20,000 Ghana cedis, they pay you 800 Ghana cedis for that. So when it comes to the team section right here, team section, the team displays the number of members in which you have invited to this particular platform, and I have been able to invite a sum of 9 level 1 subordinates, 26 level 2, and then 5 level 3, making a total of 40 people in my team right here. So this is how you can be able to make money from this particular website here. So do well to click on the first link in the video description and then set up an account and start making money for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and then subscribe to this channel.